Alright, I'm out here at the Avenue F Railroad crossing in Birmingham, Alabama, and this is Avenue F number 1 crossing to be specific. As you can see, it's currently malfunctioning. I called them and they said it's already just been reported, I think by a police officer I saw earlier, so. But yeah, as you can see, like I said, it's malfunctioning. So the first signal here, it has a US&S base, a SafeTran branded gate mechanism. I believe this is from Siemens. Then we got the emergency information right there, as you can see, dot number 663650L. The lights are all SafeTran 12 by 24 inch lights with dial-light ball LEDs, as you can see. And the bell up here is a General Signals Type 3 electronic bell, which replaced an older General Signals E-bell that was dead, that I believe was reused from the old Burlington Northern era signals that had been here. Oh yeah, and also the gate lights here are a bit unusually for BNSF crossing. These are all NEG LED gate lights. Then of course we've got the other signal over here, pretty similar to the first. As you can see, there is nothing in the area because those wayside signals would be lit if something was lined through here. But there ain't, so signals are off. So over here, we got a SafeTran base, a SafeTran branded gate mechanism that I believe is also from Siemens. There's the emergency information. More SafeTran 12 by 24 inch lights with dial-light ball LEDs over here. Just go up here. You can see here's the back side of the lights. And then another General Signals Type 3 electronic bell over here. And right here is, and the gate lights on are Rico LEDs, as you can see. See right there's the relay case. Don't know what's causing this malfunction, but I'm not a signal maintainer, so I guess I don't have to know. You can see right there is the other signal. I'll get a back shot of this signal real fast. And here's an overview from the other side showing what it looks like this way. So yeah, just thought I'd show this malfunction here at Avenue F number 1 in Birmingham, Alabama. Over and out.